This quick tutorial will show you how to find sources using PsycINFO. PsycINFO is the major article database for finding scholarly psychology articles. You will find this database listed in the Psychology Research Guide. Before searching, I brainstormed a bunch of keywords related to my research question. What impact do adverse childhood experiences have on executive function? I came up with these additional keywords for searching from reading the Wikipedia entries on executive function and adverse childhood experiences. I will try using these keywords in different combinations in the database. I'm going to start by just doing a really basic search using my original terms. And I get some pretty good results, though only 10 articles come up. It's possible that there are more articles on this topic, but that authors are using different terms to refer to the same idea, like childhood trauma instead of adverse childhood experiences. What I'm going to do now is use each separate line to search for a different concept that I'm looking for. So on the first line, I'm going to be adding keywords related to adverse childhood experiences. Since I don't know which of these terms a particular author will use to describe this concept, I'm going to list a few of them with or between them. The or is telling the computer to find at least one of these terms in every result it pulls up. On the next line, I'll add in executive function and the variations on that term. You'll see that I put some of these terms in quotes. The reason I do that is to make sure that these terms are searched for as a phrase, because the database will not automatically know that I want these terms found together otherwise. Quotes tell the computer to find these words together in this order rather than anywhere in the document. If you find yourself getting a lot of irrelevant results, that's one strategy you can try. Now in this case, I got a lot more results. They're ranked by relevance, so the most relevant articles are going to be found in the first pages of the results list. You can browse through the results until you find an article that looks interesting. This one didn't come up in our original search because it uses the terms childhood abuse and neglect and childhood trauma, so this shows the importance of trying different keywords. When an article looks interesting, click on the title. You can then read the article's abstract, which gives you a nice summary of the article. If you're still interested in the article, you'll see that you can access a PDF of the article here on the left-hand side of the page. You can also click on this citation button to find the citation in APA format that you can copy and paste into your bibliography. I'd suggest emailing the article to yourself. All you need to do is put in your email address. What it does, it sends you the article as a PDF, as well as the APA formatted citation that you can copy and paste into your bibliography. It's so easy. And if you get stuck in your searching, contact a librarian. We're happy to help.